Okay, first of all, thank you everyone for joining the classes. Okay, this is the first day of development. From tomorrow onwards, same timings, morning 8:20 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. Okay, so I think some of the new people has been joined for the development classes. Dolly, Golia, Kalyani, and Srinivas. Okay, okay, some of the new people, Smiley. Okay, like we completed admin team, so we are starting with the development. This is our first class of development, and it will be continuous. The things whatever it may be. Okay, so we'll see the different use cases. Okay, and different types of scenarios on this particular development. I think Dolly and Golia. So you are from. I think you know. I know. Hi Golia, how are you? I think some of the new people is there. That's why. Hello Golia.
I,
Okay.
I, I'm
Hi,
okay,
how are you?
idea. I'm okay,
Yes, yes.
idea.
Yeah,
Can
yes.
you hear me?
Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you for joining the class. Okay, looking forward.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
okay.
you.
Hi, Dolly. Hi, Dolly. How are you?
I think I'd fine and you.
Yeah, so kindly please join regularly. Okay, I
Yes.
think. Okay. Hi, Kalyani. How are you?
Hi Venkat, I'm good. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Yeah. Can you please introduce yourself? Yeah, because this is your starting classes for development.
Yes, I'm Kalyani. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, India. So
Okay.
I have been working as admin, so I wanted to learn development, so I took this demo class.
Okay. Okay, Kalyani. Fine, fine. I think Neha, Sunil, Ramgiri. I think Srinivas. Srinivas is new person.
Yeah, hi Venkat.
Hi Srinivas, how are you? And can you please introduce
Yeah, I'm good.
yourself? Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Srinivas. I'm from Vijayawada. I'm a
Okay.
recently engineering graduate, specialized in
Okay.
mechanical engineering.
Okay. Okay,
I
Srinivas.
have a
Thank you.
little
Thank you
bit
for.
knowledge about admin.
Okay. You know about
That's
relationships
fine.
and objects creation?
Yeah,
Okay, fine. Then fine. Okay. Thank you, Srinivas, for joining. Okay, let me try to. I think Shivakumar is a new person or old only? Shivakumar. I think, yeah, he's
Yeah, old
from
person,
starting admin.
Venkat.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yes, yes. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Smiley? What about Smiley? Okay. I think other people I know, so all the people Neha, Sunil, Sri, Mauli, Shivakumar, Rambir, and everyone I know. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me try to start the class. So we are dealing with the Salesforce development. Okay, so coming to the Salesforce development, it includes the Apex programming. Yeah, okay, it includes with Apex programming. Okay, I'm saying again. So here some of the people like don't know basics. Okay, either you know basics or you don't know. No worries. Everything I'll start from the very scratch. Everything I'll start from the scratch to intermediate level, intermediate to advanced level. Okay, advanced concepts like asynchronous programming, all these particular concepts will be covered in the upcoming classes. Okay, so first of all I use it to start with the all like basics, like very basics, because here like in the Java, it's a Java programming language, like C++, Python. There are different programming languages there. In the similarly, to develop the Salesforce applications, we use Apex programming language. Okay, Apex is an object-oriented programming language. Okay, Apex is an object-oriented programming language. Apex is an object-oriented programming language. There are three things. Okay, so we have admin and we have development and simultaneously we have LWC. Okay, admin is nothing but database. Okay, admin is nothing but a database. And what are the concepts we learned on admin? Anyone? Anyone can highlight?
creating apps, objects.
Yes, creating an objects, relationships, different types of things we learned. Okay, and coming to the development, it's a backend. Okay, backend, but it will be run using Apex. Okay, it's a backend using Apex. Okay, and after that LWC. LWC is nothing but a front end. So first of all, we are starting with development. After that, I will teach integration. After that, we'll teach LWC. Yeah. I'll start with very scratch from all basics of Salesforce. Okay, coming to the all basics of Salesforce. Okay, I'll include. Okay, so variables. What is variables? Data types. Okay, like operators. From very basics onwards, I'm starting. I'm saying again, I'm starting from very basics onwards. And also I use it to teach different types of concepts like if else, okay, with different use cases. I'm saying again, I'll like for every possibility of the topic, different use cases I use it to cover. And also I'll give the assignments also. Okay, looping statements like for loop, while loop, do while loop, there are different types. Okay, and also I'll teach some basic programmings. I'll start with very basic programmings at initially. And also we have collections is very important topic. We have three collections: and list, set, and map. Okay, we have three collections: list, set, and map. Okay, we'll teach this particular thing also. And someone will question me, sir, what are the prerequisite to learn this course? And coming to the prerequisite, at least if you know how to create an object, if you know how to create an object, apps, fields, and relationships, it's fine. And other topics are also there, but it's not dependency. Okay, but it's not a dependency to the Salesforce. I mean that development, these are all the concepts will be dependency, just you need to do this at least. Fine. And I'll teach the different types of apex programming on the basics of Salesforce. After completion of the basics of Salesforce, I'm been going to be teach about oops. Anyone highlight me what is the full form of oops?
Object-oriented programming.
Yes. Okay, OOPS is nothing but object-oriented programming language. There are different types of concepts. Here I use it in one. But in other programming language, OOPS is a major point. But here it's not a major point. Okay, like in the OOPS, we discuss about inheritance. But we'll not use that much of high-level things in real time. In real time, okay, this object-oriented programming language. Okay, and also we'll discuss about a polymorphism. In the polymorphism, everything I'll discuss with the different use cases. I'm saying again, method overriding and method overloading, and how to create a class and how to create an object. And let me try to discuss about abstraction. And also let me try to discuss about a wrapper class. It is also very important combination of different data types, and also in interface. Okay, etc. I'll discuss about each and everything. Like after completion of the oops, and I'm saying again, for each and everything I'll give the assignments regular, because to teach some advanced concepts you need to know these particular basics. Okay, whenever if you know this particular basic, then only you can go to the advanced level like triggers, asynchronous programming. First I'll start from the basic, then I'll go to the advanced level. Yeah, after completion of this I'll teach the exceptional handling. Everyone is clear with my voice? Everyone is clear with my voice?
Yes.
Am I audible? Okay.
Yeah,
So
clear.
coming to the exceptional handling. Okay, like we have different types of exceptions. Like for every exception, I'll design the use case. I'm saying again, as object exception, and also we have DML exceptions. Okay, and we have like CPU time limited exception. We have different types in interviews. Okay, if you went some experience or whatever it may be, or fresher, whatever it may be, they will ask what are the exceptions you faced in the real time. Okay, then you can convey whatever it may be. I'll tell you. Okay, like too many DML statements exception, like this, different things, and how to create a custom exception. Okay, like this, I'm going to be design with all the use cases on exceptional handling with Apex programming. Okay, I use it to involve. And another point I want to convey that okay, all basics of sales is oops. Okay, in the oops they will not ask any interview questions. Okay, if you take other languages, they will ask morely concentrate on oops. But here they will not, when you are going to the development, they will more concentrate on triggers. Okay, and writing some SQL queries, asynchronous programming, all these things. But to learn that particular triggers, all that particular advanced concepts, at least you need to know the basics. Okay, you need to concentrate. First, basics is very important. If you are strong in basics, you can develop easily the high level codes. I'm saying again to everyone. And after completion of the exceptional handling, okay, I'm been going to be design these SOQL and SOSL. Okay, SOQL is nothing but Salesforce. Anyone know about SQL? Anyone listen? Anyone listen the word SQL? SQL.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
Hmm?
very well.
structured query language.
Yes, yes. In the similarly SQL, structured query language. Okay, in the Salesforce, okay, we have to take the data, to retrieve the data, whatever it may be. So we have Salesforce object query language. Okay, and also we have Salesforce object search language. Okay, here I'll discuss different use cases. There are multiple things are there, like order by, limit, like this. We have multiple keywords are there. I'm not mentioning everything, but I'll provide the documents. Okay, everything. So I had prepared all the document, the syllabus, I'll share it, etc. Okay, each and everything. There are multiple use cases. Here I'll give that there are multiple use cases I'll cover, and also I'll give the assignments. So you need to, I mean, you need to practice. Yeah, like use cases. I want to call user stories. In the real time, we'll call as a user stories. Okay. And after completion of the SOQL, I'll start the triggers. Triggers is very important. Even if you go to the interviews and even if you go to the projects or whatever it may be, triggers are very, very important. Okay. So coming to the triggers, we'll discuss about the trigger events and trigger context variables. And also we are going to be discuss about different use cases on triggers. So many use cases I'll discuss. Okay, and also I'll give some assignment for our project also. Okay, these are all the things I'm going to be developed. So there are multiple use cases. Okay, in the triggers. Like even if you go to the interviews also, sometimes they will ask you to share the screen and they will ask you to write some piece of code on the triggers. But no worries, I'm saying again, you can handle it easily. Okay, I'll make you to handle the things. If you follow the things, what are the best practices, whatever I suggested, definitely you can. Okay, you can write the scenarios on the things whatever it may be in the interviews or after completion of the interviews also, like in the project how you need to handle. There are some tricks are there to handle even if you're experienced also. I'll tell you, no worries on this, I'm saying again. And another thing is asynchronous programming. Anyone can answer, like we are dealing with small amount of records in the real time or a large amount of records? Kalyani. Kalyani.
In real time, we generally handle large amount of records, right?
Definitely will handle, there is a large number of records only will handle definitely, but there is some limitation to the apex class. Okay, like handled a limited number of records. Okay, like there is some governor limits limitations are there. Governor limits limitation, I mean, like only it handles that it handles only limited number of records. Okay, to overcome this, okay, we'll use asynchronous programming. Okay, just imagine I'll provide you one use case. Okay, on my insurance project, like previously I deal with different project. I'll deal with banking applications, e-commerce applications, insurance application. Presently, I'm dealing with the real estate application. Okay, like this, I deal with and also health cloud applications like healthcare applications like this. I deal with the different things on my previous journey. Like just imagine, like every month, like we have HDFC Bank and bank, like some of the banks they are using Salesforce only. Okay, for their backend applications or whatever it may be, front end and back end, they're using Salesforce. Anyone seen that? Like for example, if you taken some gold loan or personal loan, some loan you taken. Okay, like for example, you taken some 2 lakhs. Just imagine I'm saying a gold on something you taken. Okay, like every month interest is 2000. Okay, like anyone saying that like when you open their portal, okay, if you cannot able to see, okay, the agent, if you went to the banking application, if you told the loan number, immediately they will tell you how much interest you need to pay to the bank. Anyone observe that? Immediately that particular financial team or whatever it may be, they will tell you how much interest you need to pay to the bank. Anyone observe this? For example, if it's a 4 months, how much interest? 4 into 2000. Please respond. How much interest? Neha.
8,000.
8,000. Okay, like immediately. Okay, like there is not a single number of records. Thousands of people will apply the loan. Okay, thousands of the people, they need to take the data and immediately they use it to update on the back end. How? Lakhs of people. Immediately there is some loan interest field is there. Immediately loan interest field is there. Okay, it will be updated to whatever the amount, either 8,000, 10,000, whatever it may be, you taken, etc. Yeah, like by using asynchronous programming. So we have a batch epics, okay, and also we have schedule epics. Under this asynchronous programming, so we have batch epics, and also we have scheduled epics, okay, to schedule the epics programming, and also we have future method. Everything I'll design multiple use case, and also I'll do the assignments also, and the queuable epics and flex queue, okay. These are all the things. Apex queue. In interviews also, I'm saying again, when you're going to the interviews also, okay, and also database.stateful to overcome the limitations. In interviews also, when you're going, definitely they will ask some theoretical scenarios on asynchronous programming, and sometimes they will ask you the piece of code. I'll tell you syntax. They will ask. I know everything because I'm a working professional. I use it to attend the regularly interviews to know the status of the current market, how the things are going on. Okay, so even your 7+, 6+, whatever the experience may be, if you are from here, the course is designed for different people. The people like who are want to switch it from non-IT background to IT background, and also the people who have their working experience in different background. Okay, but they want to switch to the Salesforce. Okay, like this in multiple scenarios. Okay, it will be helpful for you. In asynchronous programming, I'll discuss each and everything with use cases as well as assignment. After that, I'll discuss. Anyone have any queries? Still no whatever I discussed, Kalyani, Neha. Anyone have any queries? Whatever I discussed? Shashidhar, Smiley.
No, Venkat.
Okay,
All good, Venkat.
okay, fine. What about Srinivas, Golia, Dolly, Smiley, Vasu? I think Vasu has joined lately. Okay,
Oh, good.
okay, thank you. Okay, so coming to the Visual Force pages. Like Visual Force pages is nothing but it's an older version. In 2000, they had been introduced to design the front end, but now we are not using. But I'll teach this also. I'll teach the Visual Force pages also. So for 2 days, I'll teach the Visual Force pages and also another thing. Before this, I'll teach the test classes. I'll ask you one thing. Anyone can answer. Like for example, if you're designing the application, you need to test yourself or not whether it is working fine or not. First of all, you need to do unit testing. Everyone will agree with my point, Srinivas.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, Venkat.
Definitely, we need to verify ourselves. Okay, this code is working fine. For this, we are designing the test classes. Okay, we can write the test classes. Test classes are easy only. There are some processes, the same process we'll follow. Triggers and asynchronous programming. I'll tell you in upcoming classes how to design in a structured manner. Okay, after completion of this, I'll teach the integration. Integration. Why? If for example, if you are integrating with external APIs like postal API, weather map API, like a payment applications API, any API same process. I'm saying again, any API same process, only some things will be modified. HTTP request and getting the response, everything is same. Okay, so we'll discuss about REST API, how to create a JSON, everything. And also we'll discuss about different types of methods: HTTP get method, HTTP post method, HTTP patch, HTTP delete, etc. And also I'll discuss about a postman application. It's very important because just imagine, for example, if you're integrating with external application, like Kalyani. Just imagine if you're integrating with external application. You cannot ask every time, like for example, you're sending the code to other system. Like we cannot ask every time, like for example, SAP team. We cannot call SAP team every time you got the data, you received the data or not. We need to test ourselves. Okay, like based on our web services, whatever it may, we need to create. We need to test by using Postman and Workbench. We can test our web services are working fine or not. Okay, our web services are working fine or not. And also I'll discuss about integrating Salesforce with external application, any application process. Like I'll design the code also, external application, and also just imagine if external application sending data to Salesforce. Both ways, inbound integration and outbound integration, both things I'll help you. Okay, the process is same. Okay, there are, if you understood the process and how the structured code or whatever it may be, the same thing it will be applied whatever it may be, either Java to like Salesforce to Java, or SAP is sending to Salesforce, or Salesforce is sending with Java. Okay, or Java is sending to Salesforce, same thing. It's easy one only if you understand the structured process. Okay, by using OAuth 2.0 we can do it. Yeah, in upcoming classes I'm going to be guide you each and everything. Like this is about the development and integration. I'll teach after completion of this. I'll teach LWC. LWC is nothing but a lightning web components. It's like a front end. When I started with the first day of LWC, like there are two applications I'm going to be designed in LWC. One is travel application and one is health cloud applications. Okay, and educational application is nothing but like I created from admin onward. The same thing it will be continued for the development. And another thing I want to highlight: the people who join newly, okay, to our classes, like Kalyani and some other people are newly joined. Kalyani, Dolly, Golia, Shivakumar, some people, Vasu, Fanindra. Okay, and no worries. I'll tell you how to, like you can create objects and relationships in your personal org. Okay, then you can continue to our development classes. Okay, like I'll tell you which objects you need to create and which relationships you need to create. Okay, Kalyani and Dolly, Golia. Are you clear with this point? I think Dolly knows admin. What about Golia? What about Golia? Okay. Srinivas, what about you? You know how to create
Yeah,
objects and relationships?
yeah.
Fine. Fine,
Yes,
done.
I know how to create.
Yeah, then I'll tell you, just I'll give you some document, you can create it accordingly. Okay. And another thing I want to tell you, what are the things which I'm teaching? Each and everything I'll share the notepad files. Okay, notepad files. Like and also interview questions on each topic. And another thing, like so we have a drive, in that particular drive, so we'll upload the things regularly. I think ours is a batch 50. Okay, in that particular drive. Okay, I'll upload whatever it may be the things like in the batch 50 we'll upload the things. Yeah, some I'll open it. Okay. In that we have some drive. Okay, like I think password is wrong. I'll reset it. Okay. Like in that particular drive, I'll upload the things regularly, whatever it may be. Okay. In the drive. Yeah, this is about the introduction. The first day I'm teaching about the syllabus, whatever in the upcoming classes. Okay, and coming to the tomorrow onwards, I'll start with the very basics. Okay, I'll start with Apex. What is Apex? And the basic programming, variables, operators, data types. Okay, everything will be continued regularly. Okay, this is our first class. And coming to the tomorrow onwards, same timings, morning 8:20 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. only. Yeah, no changes. Okay, only for today. Thank you everyone for supporting the today's class. Okay, for changing the timings. Thank you. But tomorrow onwards, same timings, morning 8:20 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. Okay, the same timings it will be continued. That's it. Okay, team. Thank you. Anyone have any queries? Golia, Dolly, Kalyani, Mauli. Anyone have any queries? Sunil, Neha, Srinivas, Shivakumar.
Uh, oh, good.
Okay, fine.
Venkat, are these classes going to be from Monday to Friday or for the whole week?
Like mostly Monday to Friday, Kalyani. Sometimes if syllabus is not on being completed, then I'll be conduct Saturday class also. If I conducted
Okay.
Saturday class means I'll give announcement in Friday or Thursday only. Okay, in the group in the
Okay.
class also. Yeah.
Okay. Suppose if we happen to have any meetings or miss the class, can we get a recording
Ah,
later?
yeah. Every day, like for example, if you're completing the class at 8:20 to 9:20 am, with like in between 10 to 11, okay, or before 11:30 only, our team will be upload. Okay, to that particular
Okay.
recordings to the drive you can access. Yeah,
Okay, Venkat. Thank you.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay, Venkat, do we get any, documented material
Ah, yes, I'll
for
share.
the
Yeah, I'll open it. Okay, I think everything, whatever I'm teaching, each and everything I'll provide you because without codes, it's difficult for you to make all the things. Okay.
yeah?
Everyone able to see all basics of sales. So each and everything I prepared in a structured manner with codes also. What are the things which I'm teaching? Everyone able to see it? And also this is the assignment I'm giving. And assignment answers now I will not give, I'll give it. Okay, I created a separate document. I need to give some time for you, okay, to study with the assignments and to prepare. After each and everything we have documents, everything I'll share. Asynchronous programming assignment answers, and this is the thing. Okay, and also the real-time use cases, whatever it is. Like everything I'll share. Vasu. Vasu Fanindra.
Okay, okay, Venkat.
Okay, thank you, Vasu. Thank you. Yeah, anyone have any other queries? Yeah. Okay, team. Thank you. Thank you for joining the today's class. I'm stopping the recording. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Let's meet tomorrow 8:20 to 9:20. Same timings.